These are images of the Black Hawk helicopters that were sent into Iran to recover the crew of the F-15 fighter shot down while on a mission. And these are pictures released by Iran's state media of the downed fighter. The curious point is, Iran says 2 aircraft were shot down, an F-15E, which has a 2-man crew, and an F-35, which is crewed by a single pilot. The F-35, Tehran says, was shot down over western Iran, and it appears the pilot has been captured. Latest reports say both pilots of the F-15E shot down over southwestern Iran have been rescued. Their plane had gone down over a mountainous region. An A-10 Warthog was also reportedly shot down near the Strait of Hormuz. Iran has announced rewards for anyone who is able to capture the missing pilot.
توجه بفرمایید. بینندگان عزیز، توجه بفرمایید.
Please pay attention. Dear viewers, please pay attention. Residents of Kogiluya and Boyar Ahmad province, dear and courageous people. If you capture and hand over a pilot or pilots of the enemy alive to the law enforcement and military forces, you will receive a valuable reward and prize.
The larger concern for the Americans is that Iran's missile and drone capability remains effective despite Donald Trump's claim to the contrary. The US president has a tough job on his hands. His people do not support this war, and the chilling prospect of US pilots on the run inside Iran raises the stakes significantly.